Hear me? Yeah? Alright. Coming for all your baby mamas.
Hey, yo!
Should you like start showing the car first? Or should you start talking? Or come in into frame or whatever? Alright. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Ricardo, aka Hashira here. As you guys know, this is my vehicle. I know a lot of you guys see it in the videos. It's well known for the orange color that it has. It's a chrome satin finish with all the ultravision film, the color effect tint that it has on it. Today's a special, episode for you guys. We're gonna be actually rewrapping it. Probably craziest design that we've done in the shop. I'm gonna leave that up to you guys to decide if it is or not. But yeah, just, the wrap's been on here for 3 years, so it has a little bit of nicks, crannies here and there that's like not looking too good. So we're gonna change it up and yeah, we'll see how it looks. It's cause I start laughing. Whatever that means, but alright. Walk from the back, right here. What do I say? All right, I got you. All right, guys, we got the car inside. It's all dry and washed. We're gonna start removing the wrap so we can clean the surface before installing the new wrap. That's fine. Let's get started. Sounds crazy. No. All right, guys, we got the car inside all washed and dry. We're gonna start removing the wrap and get it prepped for the new wrap. Let's get started.
What do you mean by that?
I hate that food.
One eternity later.
Hi, coming for all your baby mamas. Side, I got my own. All right, let me know. Oh, now? What up, everybody? As you guys can see behind me, the charger's all done. It took us a while. We did have a couple customer cars before we could get to mine. It's fully done, as you guys can tell. Yeah, man, I'm hyped. It looks definitely cool, a lot different than before. So yeah, man, let's get a closer look and see how it is. All right, as you guys can see, it is a custom design. It was designed by Glarb Design. Huge shout out to him. He's up in Florida. So if you guys need any designs or anything like that, make sure to check him out. For me personally, this wrap means a lot. It comes with the idea of like the guy that inspired me to buy a car like this and build it the way it is. His name's Destroyer Customs. Huge shout out to him. I actually want to dedicate this design towards him because he was a huge person that inspired me to get where it's at. So you guys can see it has a bunch of, I guess you can say, like wood carving design to it. I still like the orange, it has a lot of texture, depth into it, like a lot of shadows in the design. As you guys can tell, I still have the OEM wheels. I do have some custom wheels coming in, so stay tuned for that. For now, let's talk about the wrap. As you guys can tell, we individually put these pieces on the fender flares to match perfectly to the wrap itself. It did take us a little bit of while, but as you guys can tell, it all comes together and it looks amazing. There's a lot of contrast on the wrap, a lot of oranges, a lot of blacks to give you that depth in the wrap itself. But yeah, it does have a little bit of a touch of mine from the show. Obviously, I'm a huge Demon Slayer fan, and it has the logos and the Rengoku sword emblem in there. So yeah, man. Moving to the back, the whole pattern and flow of the wrap itself flows with the roof. We did do a custom taillight tint on this. It does have orange pieces on it and dry carbon fiber on them. Gives a little bit of extra contrast. It does give it a little bit more contrast. I did add a rear window spoiler just recently just to give it a little bit more of a touch and go with the satin touches of black. But yeah, I think it turned out really good. I did switch the tint on the vehicle to the regular 5% black. I did used to have the chameleon, like the windshield. It just had a little bit of a purple shade to it, which kind of threw it off. So I went back to the black, and honestly, it looks pretty settled and a lot cleaner than I thought it would. All right, so that's pretty much all the new stuff in the car. I'm super hyped to hit up the shows this summer. If you guys have any ideas that you want to bring to life, any crazy ideas that you think people are not going to be into it, don't be afraid to try them out. Hit us up. We can make anything happen, as you guys can see. And yeah, man, looking forward to seeing all of you guys. Ciao! Don't forget to subscribe and like. Coming for all your baby mamas.